friends, welcome to Sauce Bros Club. Today we are going to see about plant types. Plants are grouped based on nature and size of their stems. They are herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers and trees. First, we are going to see herbs. Herbs are small plants, thin and soft stem. They live for few months.
Hey Papu, look at here. How is the grass stem? See how soft. Is it not?
Yes,
Yeah, they are very thin and
soft.
Oh, this is a grass. Example for herb. See this one. What is this?
Mint
Yeah, it is mint. It is also a herb. Can you
Oh.
see the stem?
is just very thin.
Yeah, it is very thin and soft. What are the other examples for herbs you know? Coriander is
Yes.
an example of herb. They live only for few months.
Oh,
Okay, so next we are going to see about next plant type, which is a
shrub.
shrub. What do you know about shrub?
Smaller than trees.
Yes, they are very smaller than trees and they have stems. You know how the stem will be?
Thin or hard?
Thin and hard, exactly. It is thin and hard. They live for several years.
Oh,
Look at here, this is a rose plant. Can you see the stem?
yes, it is very.
It is not very thick, but thicker than a herb stem, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, see, this is a shoe flower or hibiscus. It is also
Wow.
an example of a shrub.
Oh,
Yeah, we see many shrubs, right?
yes.
Yeah, okay. Next comes the climbers. What do you know
Oh,
about climbers? How about their stem?
weak stem. Need support to climb?
Yeah, they need support to climb because their stem is weak. They cannot
Oh.
stand upright. See here how the stem. Can you see it is bent and it cannot stand up?
It is holding the
Thread. Can
Thread.
you see a thread?
Yes.
Just holding it so that it helps to grow upwards.
how it is balancing.
See, it is having a clinging roots. Can you see the small roots? This is the money plant. See the stem. It is somewhat thick, but it cannot stand upright. It needs. Can you see the roots? Yes.
It is
So
very
this-
thin.
Yeah, so climbers also live for few months. Other examples of climber is grapevine. Do you know grape? Grape, you know?
Yes.
Yes, it see, it climbs like this.
Oh,
Here it is. Good. So next one, we are going to see about creepers. What do you know about creepers?
pumpkin.
Yeah, it has a weak stem and it grows on the
Ground.
Yes, exactly. It grows on the ground because the stem is very weak and it bears a very big, large, heavy fruit. Can you give me example for heavy fruit?
Watermelon.
Yes, and one more.
Pumpkin.
Yes, very good. And there is one more, muskmelon.
Yay!
Yeah, we
I
used
like
to
it. Muskmelon.
Yeah, we used to have fruit salad, right?
Yes.
See the stem of the watermelon plant, how it is. So thin, weak. Yeah. See how it grows on the ground. It bears a big fruit. Can you see that watermelon lying on the ground?
Yes.
Yeah.
Creepers are very
How
sad.
funny the watermelon is lying upright, no? It's so funny, no?
Yes.
Yeah. See the pumpkin? It's also on
Oh.
the ground.
It is
Okay.
very orange
Huge.
and
Heavy.
yeffy.
Next one, we are going to see about what?
Trees.
Trees. How the trees will be? They are
They are.
strong.
Oh,
Yes.
it is very strong.
Yeah, they have a hard stem called
Trunk.
trunk. You
Ah.
know, it is It's very strong. It can live for very much strong. It can live for many years.
I like trees.
They have many branches. Can you see the branches all
Yes.
over the tree?
Yes.
Yes, this is the neem tree which we are seeing. Okay.
Yes.
So it gives us air, right?
Yes, yes. It gives us oxygen, right?
Yes, exactly.
It-
It has many branches too.
Yes.
Okay. And there is one more tree which we have in our home. Which is that one called?
Mango tree.
Yes, it gives delicious mango, isn't it?
I love mangoes.
I know that. So trees are heavy, strong. Okay.
Oh.
And you know how we can calculate the age of a tree? When we cut the tree, you can see the circles, round,
Oh.
round.
Yeah.
The number of rounds gives the age of the tree.
Oh.
Okay. So thanks for watching.
Hope
Subscribe.
you like the video. Put subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.